So how do you mute when you are screen recording on the iPad? Let's get into it. So basically, before you start the screen recording process, you need to swipe down to access the control center, and there is the toggle, right there. So what you can do, instead of just pressing it, you can hold down on it and some things will appear. So you can see that I can choose the location where it's going to be saved, but at the bottom, you also have the microphone icon. And this can either be turned on or off, naturally based on your preference. So if you don't like anything to interrupt it, like if you don't want to speak over it, if you want to be muted, so whatever you say will not be part of that video, make sure the microphone is turned off. Otherwise, the sounds of your environment, your speech, or whatever you do will also be captured. So obviously, that's something that you need to change right here. Keep in mind that also if you already have a finished video in your gallery, you can still mute it later on. You just go to the edit button in the gallery and you just disable the sound like that and save it as a new video. So, you will end up with the muted sound that way as well. So that's going to be about it for me. Let me know below in the comments if it did in fact work for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I will catch you later in the future videos.